3 weeks packed with education, thrills and collaboration between our students and also our tutors and lecturers.
How to use these systems.
I think it's a great opportunity for students to deepen their knowledge in the field of data protection and IP law, a modern and very business-oriented field of law, where you want to comply with.
Context-based, because they're not bounded to a product.
It's an honor for me to host so many passionate students from various parts of this world. We have students from almost a dozen different countries.
Всім доброго дня!
Merhaba.
Hi.
AI and data is the future, and if you want to learn it in a very cool environment with lots of great people, this is the place for that.